Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a BMW guys, 3 Series E46. And if your horn doesn't work guys, we'll show you where to find and how to replace the fuse. This should guys help you on any model from 1998 to 2006 BMW 3 Series E46. In addition guys, we'll have more than 200 videos. Why? Because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video and drop a comment below, let us know what you think. So, let me show you now guys, okay, where that fuse is located for the horn now. So, we need to come to the passenger side, we need to open the door. Okay, right here. And the fuse guys is behind, okay, it's actually the fuse box is in the glove box. Okay, let us show you now. This is your glove box. Open it. Once you guys open it, right here you have two things that you need to twist to open like that. Your fuse box will drop down like this one now. You will guys have two fuses for the horn. You need to check both of them, not just one, two. So the first fuse that we need to check guys, you can see the first row right here, you can see the numbers printed on top. For the second row there on the bottom, kind of like engraved in the plastic. The first fuse that we need to check will be fuse number 5 guys, and this is a 5M fuse. Okay, in our case fuse number 5 will be this fuse right here. How you guys check them? You grab the puller, okay, and go on top of the fuse, grab it, and I dropped it. Let me see where I dropped that thing. Okay, I think it's maybe somewhere here on the floor. Yep, right here. So we get the fuse guys, okay, and just install it there. Okay, it's not going in so easy. Now we need to check one more fuse guys, fuse number 55. Okay, 55 will be the fuse, okay, right here, that 15M fuse. Okay, let me show you, the 15M fuse. So these two fuses guys are for your horn, okay, right there. So if it doesn't work guys, check those. If that doesn't take care of the problem, we'll have a video how to test the horn, please check it out. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful. If you have questions again, drop a comment below. Thank you guys for watching and the support, and hopefully the video will save you some trouble, and see you guys next time.